Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360 immediately. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove the faceplate and unscrew the optical bay. Keep screws grouped so you know where each goes. Make sure to work on a clean, static-free surface and use a Phillips #1 plus a spudger. You're not just opening the unit, you're creating a controlled workspace so the next repair steps are faster and safer. Now, proceed to the drive area and expose the disc mechanism. You'll access the laser assembly and inspect the lens closely. If it's dusty, dab a 90% plus isopropyl, swab lightly, clean in one direction, and avoid scrubbing. Next, check the sled rails for sticky spots. Apply a pinhead of silicone lubricant so the laser moves smoothly, because friction often causes read errors. Then, reseat any loose ribbon cables that connect the laser to the board. Poor contact is a common cause. Once the laser glides freely and contacts are solid, test the tray again. You reassemble the console in reverse order, making sure each screw is snug but not over-tightened, and that cables route correctly. Then power on with a known good disc. Listen for consistent spin and steady seek sounds, and check whether the console recognizes the disc. If the drive still fails, try swapping the drive board if available, or use an alignment jig if the laser assembly appears misaligned. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, record error behavior. Consistent patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.